Now, here it is, all dark and spoopy and snowing. I've got my light, and I've got Marduk right here, slowly getting more assembled. I have the ventilation cupolas on, the right arm is attached, I've got my skeleton, and the left arm is not attached, but I've got a lot of dust covering on it, aka black plastic, so it should not have a lot of snow pile up, but you can see I've already got some in there, so I'll have to clean that out. But working on the mech in the snow is just like working on the mech during the summer, except it's cold and dark and there's white stuff everywhere. But, you know, not too hard, just a little annoying because I gotta bundle up in all the stuff. So, this is just a quick update video, so be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.